welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Now we will move to the exercise 3.2 of question number 1. Here question number 1 is, it is given some scores in mathematics test of the 15 students out of 25. Out of 25 they had given some marks obtained by the students, that are 15 students. So we have to find the mode and median of this data, and are they same. So we have to arrange first this in ascending order. So it will be easy for us. 9, then what it will come, 12, sorry it is here 5, 9, then 10, then 12, then what it will come, 15, then 16, 20. How many times? 4 times 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 420, and then 23, after 16 I had not written 19 here, so after 16 it will be 19, 20, then 23, then 24, then 25. How many times? 2 times. So like this you have to arrange in ascending order. Okay, so we have to find the mode. You can see mode is, what is mode? That is the highest frequency or most repeating values. You can see this 25 is 2 times, they are occurring 2 times. Here 20 is 4 times. Okay, and all are in a single values, all have single values. So mode is equal to 20 here, and median is the middle value. So you can see that it is the 15 values are given. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, from here it is 7, and from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be middle value. So median is 20. Okay, or you can solve by another way also, that we had given, they are given n is equal to 15, which is odd. Okay, so we will get the term here. For median we have term is equal to 1 by 2 n plus 1, that is 15, plus 1 by 2, that is 16, by 2, that is 8. So 8th term, so you can see 8th term from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it is 20. Okay, so by this you can write directly by the middle value, or you can find the term and you can write this, that is median is equal to 20. And is it asking that are they same? So yes, they are same, mode and median are same, having both values 20. Yes, they are same. So this is the first question of exercise 3.2. Now students, come to the next question number 2. Here you can see that the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. Okay, these are the score given by them. We have to find the mean, mode and median of this data, and we have to find that are the three same. We have to conclude that. Okay, so first what is our work? First is we have to arrange this in ascending order. So first is here smallest number is 6, then 8, then 10 is 2 times, then what will come? 15 3 times, then 50, then 80, then 100, then 120. Okay, so we have to find the mean. We know the formula, sum of all scores divided by total number of players. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 divided by 11. This is the 11 players. Okay, there are 11 players here. So if you solve this, you will get 429 here. 429 divided by 11, and if you divide, you will get 39 as the answer. Okay, 39 runs. So this is your mean. Now next is we have to find the mode. You can see most frequently occur means 10 is it 2 times, 15 is 3 times occur. Okay, and rest of the numbers will be single time. So what will be the mode here? Mode will be 15, that is 3 times. Mode is equal to 15. And median, for median I am writing here, this is the total 11. So here 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So 15 is the median. Okay, median is 15, or you can solve by other way, that 15 plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2, that is term 16 by 2. Sorry, it's not 15. 11 plus 1, n is equal to 11 here, so 12 by 2, that is 6th term. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6th term is 15. You can directly write, or you can use this method. So you can see that median and mode is same, but mean is not same. So here your answer is no, the three are not same. Here 15 runs, here is also 15 runs. You have to write, it is in centimeter, so you have to write centimeter. It is in mm, so you have to write mm. It is in runs, so I am writing here runs. This is question number 2. Now students, come to the next question, that is question number 3. So it is given data in kg, weights are given of 15 students of a class. Okay, so we have to arrange first in ascending order. So here it is first part, find the mode and median of this data, and second part is there more than one mode. Okay, so we have to write in ascending order. So first is here 35, 32, okay, 32, then 35, only one time is there, 35, then 36, one, two, 3, 37, then 38 is 3 times, and after 38 it is 42, one time, no, 40, sorry, 40, then 42, then 43 is 1, 2, 3, 43, then 45, then 47, then 50. Like this you have to arrange in ascending order. Okay, so we have to find the mode. So we know that mode is the most frequently repeating values. Okay, so most repeating values are this 38 is 3 times and this 43 is 3 times, means mode is all rest of the values are in single term. So here mode is equal to 38 and 43, and we have to find median. For median we know that n is equal to 15. We have to write 38 kg and 43 kg. It is given in kg. Okay, so you have to write this measurement. Okay, this unit, sorry, this unit you have to write here. Now median, you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So median is equal to 40, that is the middle value, or the same n is equal to 15 here. So term is equal to n plus 1 by 2, 15 plus 1 by 2, that is 16 by 2, means 8th term. What is 8th term here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, here 40. Okay, so this is the median. Okay, 40 kg. This is the first part. We had find the value of mode and median. Okay, median you can write directly by counting the middle value, or you can apply this thing. Okay, number second is there more than one mode? Yes, we have more than one mode here. Okay, yes, there are 2 modes. This is the solution for question number 3. Okay, next question is question number 4. We have to find the mode and median of the given data. This is the data given. So what is our first work? We have to arrange this in ascending order. So here 2 times 12, that is the lowest number. 13 is in 2 times. 14 is 3 times. Then 16, then 19. Okay, so we had arranged in ascending order. Then we have to find mode. You can see that 12 is 2 times. Okay, this is 2 times. 13 is 2 times, and repeating values 14 is 3 times. So mode is equal to 14. Okay, this is greater occurring in 3 times. You can write occurs 3 times. in the data. You can write like this. Okay. Now come to the median. For median, we have n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N equal to 9. So term is equal to n plus 1 by 2. That is 9 plus 1 by 2. 10 by 2. 10 by 2, that is fifth term. What is fifth term here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 14. So median is also 14. You don't have to write here unit because it is given data. No unit is there. Okay. So this is the solution. Okay students, this is the last question of this video, that is question number 5. Here we have to tell whether the statement is true or false. Okay. So here first part it is given, the mode is always one of the numbers in a data. We know that what is mode? Mode is the most frequently occur values in the data. Okay, most repeating values. So here it is true. We are getting in data only modus. The mean is one of the numbers in a data. It is false because we have to find the arithmetic mean, that is the total number of observation upon sum of all observations upon total number of observation. This is the formula for the arithmetic mean. So it is not in data. It may or may not be in a data. So it is false. You can see third part, the median is always one of the numbers in a data. Yes, median, we know that the middle value of the data. So here it is true. That is the fourth part. The data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13 and 9 has mean 9. So we have to find the mean for this. You can find mean 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9 upon total number of data. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 8. Okay. So you will, if you sum this, you will get 64 divided by 8. Means 8 8 the 60. So here you can see that I am getting mean is equal to 8. So this is false. Okay. Mean is, here it is written that mean is 9, but it is false because we are getting mean is equal to 8. Okay students, hope you understood up till here. So in the next video I will come with exercise 3.3. So be ready for exercise 3.3. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.